In this video, we're looking at section 1.1, and I'm going to do number 26, which says find the equation of a circle with the diameter whose endpoints are -4, -4, and -3, 4. So what we have is we have a circle, and I'm giving you the endpoints of the diameter. So I'm giving you this point and this point. And to come up with the equation of a circle, we need two things. You need to find the radius, and you need to find the center. The equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. All right, where hk is the center, and then the radius is r. So if I'm giving you the two endpoints of the diameter, the midpoint of those 2 points will be our center. So to find the center, we use the midpoint formula, which says add up the x's. So -4 plus -3 divide by 2. Add up the y's, -4 plus 4 divided by 2. -4 plus -3 gives me -7 divided by 2. -4 plus 4 gives me 0 divided by 2. If I turn that into a decimal, I get -3.5 comma 0. So the midpoint between this point and this point will give me the center, and that gave me the point -3.50. Then to find the radius, what we're going to do is we're going to use the distance formula, and I'm going to find the distance from this point to this point, and then I'm going to divide that by 2, and once I divide that by 2, that'll be the radius. So find the distance of the diameter. You do x2 minus x1, so -3 minus -4 squared, plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus -4 squared. -3 minus -4 gives me 1. -4 minus the -4 gives me 8. 1 squared is 1. 8 squared is 64. That gives me the square root of 65. That's the distance of the diameter. To find the distance of the radius, I need to take that square root of 65 and divide it by 2. So I've got the two things I need, the radius and the midpoint. Then I just sub them into this equation. So it's x minus a -3.5 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals my radius, which is square root of 65 over 2 squared. If you have minus a negative, that's the same thing as a positive, so it's x plus 3.5 squared. Y minus 0 is just y, so that's y squared. Square root of 65 squared gives me 65. 2 squared gives me 4. So that should be the answer for that question.